Yo, what's up? It's White Slice here. It is very windy today. It's like 22 knots. I'm here in Bonaire. It's the windiest day we've had so far. It's really nice. Every other day we kind of been underpowered, not quite planing, but today I'm hanging on to my 4.8, so it's great fun. I'm going out to work on some front loops, so I'm about to put my impact vest on to make sure I'm protected. It's pretty busy out there, but the water's nice and flat, so we're going to go and see if I can make any progress on these front loops. Here we go.